In a surprising twist, Apple and HTC announced a complete settlement of their ongoing patent fights on Saturday. According to Apple's press release, the two companies have dismissed all current lawsuits and agreed on a 10-year license agreement for current and future patents. The terms of the deal are confidential, but Fortune has an estimate of what it costs HTC. When Apple first approached Samsung for licensing, it wanted $24 per phone. If Apple held HTC to the same pricing for the 7.4 million smartphones it sold last quarter, it would have cost the Taiwanese phone maker somewhere in the neighborhood of $180 million. GigaOM says the settlement is good news for both companies. The settlement means both companies will save enormous amounts in legal fees, given that complex patent cases typically cost tens of millions of dollars. But it's especially good news for HTC, TechCrunch explains. HTC is a company that's seen as being in an accelerating tailspin, and that's no position from which to wage a massive global legal battle with the wealthiest consumer electronics company in the world. Indeed, the news of settlement comes as HTC posts record losses for the quarter, Bloomberg reports.
No turnaround yet for HTC. Profit dropping for a fourth straight quarter for the handset maker, missing estimates. The Taiwanese company is struggling to compete against the smartphones made by Apple and by Samsung.
HTC, for its part, is happy to have the patent fight behind it. In the press release announcing the settlement, CEO Peter Chow said the company can now focus on innovation rather than litigation. For Newsy, I'm Candice Aviles. Multiple sources, The Real Story.